Congratulations on your Hisense portable air conditioner unit. This video is going to show you how to cool down your room quickly and easily. Our portable air conditioner has 3 modes: cooling, dry, and fan mode. Let's start with the cooling mode. Press the power button and make sure the cooling mode light is activated. Under cooling mode, you can adjust the fan speed in high, medium, and low by pressing the fan button. You can see the real-time room temperature display on the control panel as well as the front display. You can press the plus button to raise temperature. The temperature can be set up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the minus button to reduce the set temperature. This can be adjusted to 61 degrees Fahrenheit at the lowest. The display temperature can be switched between Fahrenheit and Celsius by pressing and holding both the plus and minus buttons for 5 seconds. Under dry mode, the unit automatically selects the temperature. The fan runs on low speed only. Under fan mode, you cannot adjust the temperature and the display will show the real-time room temperature. You can adjust the fan speed from low to high. You can also use the remote to control the unit. Press the on-off button to power the unit on. Airflow is automatically adjusted to a preset direction after turning on the unit. The direction of airflow can be adjusted by pressing the swing button. Press the dimmer button to turn off the control panel display. Press the dimmer button again to turn it back on. You can press the super button. The unit will set the fan speed to high and the temperature to 61 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature sensor built into the remote control can sense its surrounding temperature and transmit the signal back to the unit. The temperature is adjusted to provide maximum comfort. To deactivate the I Feel function, press the I Feel button for approximately 5 seconds. Press the I Feel button once again to reactivate the I Feel function. You can set the real time by pressing the clock button. Press or hold the up and down button to set the correct time. Press the clock button again and the real time is set. The timer on button can be used to turn on the unit automatically at a preset time. Press time on button to turn on. When the desired time is displayed, press time on button again to confirm. You can cancel the timer on by pressing the timer on button again. Timer off is set exactly the same way as timer on. However, timer off is set when the unit is running and will set the time at which the unit will turn off. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your Hisense portable air conditioner.